Storms early in the evening. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to 40 knots and small hail 9 nautical miles west of New Baltimore, moving east at 40 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near New Baltimore around 8:55 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge and Metro Beach Metro Park Marine around 9 p.m. St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 9:05 p.m. Mariners can expect strong winds to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.